Just leaving court, a little bit stressful, even though everything worked out great. I had a case, well, I had to be in multiple places. I had an appearance in San Francisco. I'm in Palo Alto right now. San Francisco was a felony reduction request from a 1972 case, two 1972 cases for commercial burglary and some drug offenses. And my client back then got what was called a civil commitment. So for narcotics offenders, he had a 7-year prison sentence, actually had to go to prison, but they considered the sentence suspended. And then the case ended up being, dismissed. It was considered civil, but he needed to get it reduced to a misdemeanor so that he could restore his firearms rights. It was granted successfully. It was stressful because it said it was on calendar this morning, but I couldn't find it anywhere, and it was already granted before I even had to do the appearance. So writing a good motion, I guess, having no objection from the DA, can lead to good results. So everything worked out really, really good. Another good day. Thanks.